AAA in cybersecurity. Today, we are talking about AAA in cybersecurity in a simple, structured, and SOC-friendly way, especially focusing on how it's applied in WI, wireless infrastructure or wide area networking departments, and SOC operations in cybersecurity. AAA stands for Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. It's a security framework used to control user access, enforce policies, and track activities within IT environments, including SOC operations, wireless networks, and enterprise security systems. This is very important in SOC and wireless security because it ensures that only authorized users and devices can access the network and that their activities are monitored and recorded. Authentication. Who are you? Authentication is the first step of a AAA and focuses on verifying identity before granting network access. How it works. When a user or device connects to a network, they must prove their identity. The system checks credentials like username and password, digital certificates, security tokens, biometric data, e.g. fingerprints, facial recognition. In SOC and wireless departments, WI, used in Wi-Fi authentication via Radius or TAC Plus servers. SOC analysts monitor authentication logs to detect unauthorized login attempts. Example, if someone tries to connect to a corporate Wi-Fi, the SOC checks authentication logs for brute force attacks or compromised credentials. Example tools, Radius servers, e.g. FreeRadius, Cisco IS, LDAP Active Directory for identity management. Authorization. What can you do? Once a user is authenticated, the next step is authorization, defining what resources, systems, or data they can access. How it works. Sets permissions and roles based on policies. Controls who can access what, when, and how. Uses role-based access control, RBAC, least privilege principles, or zero trust models. In SOC and wireless departments, WI, wireless controllers and SOC systems limit access based on device type, e.g. corporate laptop versus personal phone, user role, e.g. admin versus guest, network segment, e.g. internal DMZ, IoT. Example, a SOC analyst may have full access to SIEM dashboards, while a guest on Wi-Fi can only access the internet, not internal systems. Example tools, Cisco Identity Services Engine, ISE, Aruba ClearPass, Firewall Access Control Lists, ACLs. Accounting. What did you do? Accounting is the process of tracking and logging what authenticated and authorized users do on the network. How it works. Captures data like login and logout times, commands executed, files accessed, bandwidth usage, location of access, generates reports for auditing and compliance. In SOC and wireless departments, WI, SOC analysts use accounting logs to investigate security incidents, detect abnormal activity, e.g. privilege escalation or lateral movement, track compromised accounts. Example, if a rogue device connects to the Wi-Fi, SOC analysts pull Radius logs to trace its activities. Example tools, Splunk, QRadar, ELKAIM, Cisco ISE accounting logs, TACAX Plus logging. Real-world SOC example scenario, an employee connects their laptop to the corporate Wi-Fi. Authentication, the Radius server verifies username and password. Authorization, the system checks the user's role, grants access to internal apps but blocks sensitive servers. Accounting, SOC logs the user's login, IP address, session duration, and commands executed for auditing. Nash SOC tools used for AAA tool, purpose, SOC use case. Radius TACAX Plus, authentication and authorization, wireless access control, Cisco ISE, identity and access management, role-based Wi-Fi security, Splunk QRadar, accounting and monitoring, track login events and anomalies, Active Directory, centralized authentication, manage user credentials, Wireshark network analysis, capture AAA traffic for investigations. Why a AAA is critical for SOC analysts: ensures secure access to sensitive systems, prevents unauthorized devices from joining Wi-Fi, helps detect insider threats, provides forensic evidence during investigations, supports compliance with standards like ISO 27001, NIST 853, and PCI DSS. Hook for your YouTube video. Think of AAA like airport security. Authentication. Show your passport. Authorization. Which terminal or gate you can access. Accounting. Tracking where you went, when, and what you did.
SLI create the PowerPoint and give you a direct downloadable PPTX file 1-page AA in cybersecurity. Authentication. Authorization. Accounting. Introduction. AAA stands for Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. It's a security framework used to control access, enforce policies, and track activities in SoC operations, wireless networks, and enterprise security systems. Authentication. Who are you? Authentication verifies a user's identity before granting network access. Credentials. Username, password, certificates, biometrics, used in SoC and wireless, Radius, TACACS Plus servers. SoC Analysts monitor authentication logs for threats. Authorization. What can you do? Authorization defines what resources or data a user can access after authentication. Uses role-based access control, RBAC, and zero-trust SoC and wireless limit access by role, device, or network. Example, admin versus guest access control. Accounting. What did you do? Accounting tracks and logs user activities on the network. Tracks login times, commands, files accessed, and bandwidth. Used for auditing, detecting anomalies, and investigating incidents. Real-world SOC example scenario. Employee connects laptop to corporate Wi-Fi. Authentication, Radius verifies identity. Authorization, access to apps granted, sensitive servers blocked. Accounting, logs login, IP, session, and commands for auditing. SoC tools used for AAA common SOC tools for AAA operations, Radius, TACACS Plus, authentication and authorization. Cisco ISE, identity and access management. Splunk, Cradar, accounting and monitoring. Active Directory, centralized authentication. Wireshark, capture AOA traffic for investigations. Why AAA is critical for SOC benefits of AAA for SoC and wireless security. Secures access to sensitive systems. Prevents unauthorized devices from joining Wi-Fi. Helps detect insider threats. Provides forensic evidence for investigations. Ensures compliance with ISO, NIST, PCI DSS. Conclusion and call to action. AAA ensures secure authentication, proper authorization, and accurate accounting for SoC operations. Subscribe, like, and share for more cybersecurity content.